Alright guys, this is a little bit of everything by Tony Jr. This is tips and tricks to improve your network and your Wi-Fi. So first of all, I'm going to go to the settings. Then I'm going to go to cellular. Then I'm going to go to network section. And mine's already done, but you're going to unclick automatic and pick your cellular provider. That right there will boost your signal because it's not trying to go on a bunch of other ones. It's just going to try to find yours. From here, we're going to go back and we're going to go into privacy. Then we're going to click location services, and then we're going to go to the bottom and click system services. From here, we're going to click cell network search. That right there is going to reset your network signal. So you do that for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, you're going to turn it back on, and you're going to go down to networking and wireless. This is going to help boost your Bluetooth, your network, and your Wi-Fi signal. So about 5 to 10 seconds. Then you're going to turn that back on. Then we're going to go back, and we're going to go down to our Wi-Fi. And you're going to click your Wi-Fi, the I. We're going to go down to configure DSN. Normally it's going to be set on automatic. You're going to go to manual. You're going to delete whatever numbers you have here, and you're going to add in these two sets, which is 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Those are going to boost your Wi-Fi dramatically. From there, we're going to go back, go down to Safari, and we're going to go to clear history and data website. Data. We're going to clear that. We're going to go back. You're going to go to accessibility. From there, you're going to go to touch, excessive touch. Hit up, down on your volume, hold power. Touch the button, hold home. Alright, you're going to put in your password, which to jump back on, and then you can shut that back off. But from there, your phone is completely cleaned, and all your mobile and your data should be at its peak. I hope this helped everybody, and I hope this was great for you. Everybody have a great day now, and this was a little bit of everything by Tony Jr.